Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You have the account and permissions. Now start composing. Open Outlook and click New Email to get to the message window. Once the Compose pane appears, go to the Options tab and click From to show the From field. This lets you choose which address sends the message. Make sure your desired account is listed in the From dropdown. If not, you'll add or configure it next. This step exposes the controls you need to change the From address quickly. Once the From field is visible, click the From dropdown to see available accounts and aliases. Select the one you want to use. If the address isn't listed, go to File, choose Account Settings and add the account or alias, then restart Outlook. For shared mailboxes, request send as or send on behalf permissions from your admin and wait for propagation. After permissions are applied, the shared address appears in the From list. This ensures you can choose the correct sender every time you compose. Now finalize by composing a test message and choosing the new From address, then send it to yourself to confirm how recipients see the sender. If you prefer this as your default, go to File Account Settings, select the account, and click Set as Default. If the From field disappears or the address won't send, make sure the From option is enabled, restart Outlook, and verify Send as permissions with your administrator. Clearing
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.